and make the most of shopping on Shein.com, a popular online fashion retailer. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the experience, understanding how to efficiently browse and select products on Shein can make your shopping experience more enjoyable and rewarding. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by visiting the Shein website. Simply launch your web browser and type in mshein.com in the address bar, then hit enter. You'll be directed to their homepage where an array of fashion categories and trending items awaits you. Navigating this platform is critical as it holds the key to discovering countless stylish options tailored to your preferences. Once you've arrived, start by perusing the site's large selection of categories or using the search bar located at the top of the page to find specific items you might be interested in. When something catches your eye, click on the product to delve into its details. Let's say you find a product that piques your interest. When you click on it, you'll be transported to the product detail page. This is a crucial step because it's where you can gain an understanding of what you're potentially buying. This page typically contains all the necessary information about the item, from material specifications and customer reviews to care instructions and even style suggestions. It's your chance to examine these details closely and determine if the item meets your standards for quality and style. Now that you're on the product detail page, the next vital step is checking the size guide. Clicking on the size guide link will pull up a dedicated section designed to assist you in finding the perfect fit for that item. This step is particularly important when shopping online, as sizes can vary significantly between different brands and product lines. Understanding these measurements will help ensure that what you order fits as expected, preventing the hassle of returns or exchanges. To use the size guide effectively, note the measurements provided and compare them with your own. Having your measurements handy, a simple tape measure can help you with this. Will make this process even smoother. Pay attention to both the numerical sizes and any additional fit information provided, such as sheerness or stretchiness, which could affect how the item feels when worn. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless and satisfying shopping experience on Shein. Always remember, the key to successful online shopping lies in adequately navigating the platform, understanding the product details, and choosing the correct size. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for on mshein.com.